Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can delete your transfer history in Remitly. So to get started, I would say a lot of content out there says you can delete your Remitly transfer logs directly. But here's the truth. There's no direct delete button. Still, there's a workaround that can get the job done. Once you launch the Remitly app and sign in, you'll land on the home page. If you've made any transfers, they'll be listed right there. Tap the View All button to see your complete transaction history. But here's the catch. You won't see any option to remove individual transfers. So how do you actually clear it? Head over to the bottom right corner of the app and select Manage. From there, tap on Profile Information at the top. Scroll down, and you'll spot the option to Close My Profile. Select that. Then, confirm that you understand the terms by checking the acknowledgement and tap on Close My Profile. Once your profile is closed and you create a fresh account, your previous transfer history will be wiped clean. That's the only method to fully remove your history from Remitly. It's not possible to delete it manually within an active account. And that's it, you are done.